So that is the last boxwood plant, or maybe two, I think, that I have to take out. I cut the hedge off here all the way to the back of the raised bed. So it's all gone now. And I have to dig out the roots, but I will be doing that whenever I have time. No hurry, because I won't plant any hedge here anymore. I'll just leave the periwinkle to cover that area. These are all the boxwood hedge branches that I cut off, and we will be bringing them to the county organic waste disposal area, and it will get heated up and they'll make compost out of them. So that is for sure that all the eggs that are hanging to the foliage will be killed or burned. That's why I don't want to put it in my compost. I don't like to shred it because I don't want more of that boxwood moth in the garden. I bought two plants. This one is a John's wort that doesn't really spread. It grows compact from proven winners, and I get tempted because it's now half price. It's really the best time to buy perennials when the season is ending. And it used to cost 17.95 euros, and I got it for half. So I bought two, and it would really complement the Coreopteris over here. And it flowers from July to October, so that's a long flowering time, which is ideal for the insects, especially the bees. So I will plant this one here, one in between the roses. I just finished planting one of the John's wort over here in between the two roses. But I'm thinking of moving one of the rose bushes here. It's too close to the shrubby plant. And now I planted a John's wort here. So I'll probably be moving this one. This yellow flowering rose. These are the roots that I just dug out. So I decided to dig out the boxwood roots over here in front of the raised bed, and planted more of the euonymus green rockets. So I'm done, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I will still have to do probably two major chore in the garden, and then I will close my channel until spring of next year. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next two videos. Bye now.